calibration bench is a control work area used for testing, calibrating, and verifying the accuracy and performance of various measurement instruments. It provides a stable and organized setup where instruments can be compared against known reference standards. Before starting the calibration process, the calibration bench and all required equipment are inspected to ensure that they are clean, properly connected, and in good working condition. The reference instruments and test equipment are verified to ensure they are suitable for the required calibration range and accuracy. The instrument under test is then securely connected to the appropriate source and reference equipment. Depending on the type of instrument, the calibration bench may provide control pressure, temperature, electrical signals, or other measurement parameters. Test points are applied gradually across the required measurement range. The output of the instrument under test is monitored and compared with the reference standard. Any difference between the actual input and the instrument's measured output is recorded for evaluation. If necessary, adjustments are made to bring the instrument readings within the required accuracy limits. The instrument is then tested again to confirm that the calibration is correct and consistent. After completing the calibration process, all test results are documented for future reference. The calibration bench is then returned to its proper configuration, and the calibrated instrument is prepared for use. A properly maintained calibration bench ensures accurate and reliable instrument testing, supports quality control, and helps maintain the accuracy and traceability of measurement equipment.